Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today is Monday, September 20th, 2021, and we're going to be taking another look at Blackberry stock. So before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But looking at Blackberry, we did have a red day today. So we were down almost 6% for the day. And of course, the whole market was just totally bloody red for the whole day, and it just got redder as the day went on. So there's that to consider. But that being said, of importance to BlackBerry is we did drop below that strong support level that was at the, let's say, between 950 to 966, the mid 9 level that BlackBerry had been really holding so well for so long. If we look at, let's look at the 6 month here, you could see really since July, it had kind of been going down and then having those nice little bounces and going down and having a nice little bounce again. And this time it fell below it. So we really haven't been at this point since June or even late May. So not the best sign in terms of what's going to happen. But as we said, the whole market was totally red today. So it wasn't just like BlackBerry was singled out and had this this hard day. I mean, there's just that massive sell-off. But I'll be curious to see what happens. Like, we could see what happened here in August. We had that nice like double bottom over here, and then we did run all the way up to 12. So I'll be interested if tomorrow and for the rest of this week, BlackBerry continues to fall, or if it does find some support. Because if we don't really find any support, the next real support is not really until like the $8 range. So hopefully we could, find some support at current levels. And keep in mind too, one day is not going to make or break it. So even though we fell below that mid 9 support today, we could just as easily bounce back tomorrow and hold it as support again. Today could be an aberration. So that's essentially where we are. Of course, we do have BlackBerry earnings to be released after close on Wednesday. Although, given current market conditions, I'm not really convinced that that's going to be a real make or break or a big deal. I think, if the market continues to sell off like crazy, I think BlackBerry will continue to sell off like crazy regardless of their earnings. That's just my opinion. But, and again, I'm not a financial advisor, but when the market is having one of these sell-offs, it's so hard to resist it because everything is just hammered, and BlackBerry was no exception. So at this point, BlackBerry is very much at the mercy of the broader market. We'll see if the sell-off continues, or if it doesn't continue, we'll see if it could reclaim that mid 9 level support and try to find more traction from there. So that's what I'll be looking for in the coming days. But let me know what you're doing with your shares, if you're buying more, if you're selling, if you're holding, and I'll catch you in the next one.